Okay, so we're getting ready to install these snap jackets on a 4x4. They put a pressure treated pilings and they want them reinforced and so that it'll last longer. So we're putting on these snap jackets and we're cutting them to length right now, and then we're going to walk over to the pier and put them around the piling, and then we'll fill them up with concrete. So I'm cutting them to length right now with a skill saw. We've already measured out our length that we need. It's 2 short pier pilings. It's as simple as that. Now we're going to come over here and put this around the pier piling. We've already dug out our holes 8 inches deep. You don't have to go down very far with these. You would have to go 4 feet deep if you were doing a regular piling and jetting it in. But these are already in, so we're just reinforcing them. So you split it apart at the seam, wrap it around the piling, and then it snaps into place. And we'll take the concrete up to here and then we'll cone it right to there. So put it in. So what we were having here earlier is we were struggling a little bit snapping this into place. So now we've attached the ratchet strap. We're going to tighten up the ratchet strap and it should bring this right into place. Slide this up. Should be good right there. There it is. It's in.
Ratchet strap.
So we're filling up right now. We're filling up the pilings with concrete, and we're almost to the top. Spray it off, make it look nice. It's displacing any water that was inside there. It's displacing it. The concrete's pushing the water to the top. All right, how much did we use on this one?
Over half.
Just over half?
Yeah.
Okay. As this dries, I'll shape it into I'll cone it off. Let's start the other side. Watch out. All right, I'm gonna go fill up the other side now. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on right here and capping this off so that any water runs off of it, slightly sloped down, and smoothing out the top so that it looks real nice, coning off the top. And we'll go out and do the other side over here, Jacob. Just like so. We let the concrete set up a little bit so it gets a little bit thicker, and with a little bit of Quikrete mixed in. And then we'll rinse off the plastic, last but not least. Or the snap jacket. It's not actually plastic, it's actually like a PVC reinforced material. Alright, got a little bit more? Cool. That's about it?
Yep.
I'm gonna get the rest of that. Looks like it's it. If you guys are looking for any of this type of work in Panama City area, Destin, Fort Walton, Santa Rosa Beach, Seaside, contact Services. You can Facebook it. It's 3 words, Masterpiece, P-E-A-C-E, Services. And my name is Todd Fenrick, and I'm looking forward to earning your business and working on your docks and replacing or repairing your docks rather than replacing them, which is a cheaper cost to you, and it's guaranteed to last 50 years. Makes it a solid, firm repair that's stronger than your piling. And the pilings today are only lasting 10 years because of the type of material that the EPA limits you to have in the marine pilings now, and they only last about 10 years, where before they would last 30 years. So this is definitely the best way to, cost-efficient way to strengthen your dock, strengthen your pier, and it's a lot less time consuming than having new pilings jetted in. Please contact me. Number is 850-814-9986, or look at my Facebook page. Thank you.